In the equity quadrant, taking a look at the June Nasdaq futures, which had a strong rally today, getting all the way up to 19,165.50, which was up 4.25%. Even the low today, which was 18,623.75, was a gap higher of 1.3%. All four indices gapped higher off the open today, but the Nasdaq was the leader. And all four indices also came off the highs toward the close, with the Nasdaq still sitting up 2.33% with a little bit of time left in the futures session. This is the second consecutive session higher for the Nasdaq, taking it to the highest levels we've seen since April 14th and taking the index 14.1% higher from the April 7th low. Halfway through the week, the Nasdaq is working on its second consecutive week of higher prices, as well as the second consecutive week with a close above the 200-day moving average. Fed stability seems to be part of the reason for the continued rally from yesterday's low, as the market now fully believes, at least for now, that Jerome Powell will still be the chairman of the Federal Reserve for the foreseeable future. There was likely not a lot to the idea that he may not be in the position near term, but clarity came through today and gave the markets the certainty of the Fed chair that they know versus the one that they don't. We also had some burgeoning trade optimism today, as both President Trump late last night and Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent early this morning both indicated that there could be some tariff reductions, with the Treasury Secretary reportedly calling the current tariff levels unsustainable. This is great news for risk assets, as the Nasdaq showed us, although we did come off the highs, so the next few days will be important for equities in general.